Christmas time is here.
Hello, 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 my bosses. How you all doing in Bosses Land? I hope you all had a blessed day, honey. To my returning bosses, how y'all doing? And to my new bosses, hey girls, hey guys. Y'all, I'm so excited for this video today. Y'all, this is video, I think, number 3 of my fall series, Fall Fashion Favorites and Finds. And I'm so excited for today's video because it is going to hit all 3 of those points. Fashion, hopefully they will turn into my favorites, and they are some finds. So guys, I'm so excited to drop this video, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I drop a video. And before, ladies, we get into, honey, these finds that hopefully will turn into favorites because they are fashion and we love some fashion, let's talk about not the elephant in the room, but the queen is in the room. This unit, honey. So this is my headband wig that was inspired by my girl Pretty Bree Mua and my girl I Am Sharika B. Hey y'all, hey nieces, how y'all doing? Yes, honey, I had to cop this unit when they both debuted this unit on their channel. This is a headband wig by Unice Hair. Guys, I love this unit. This is your go-to, honey. When I tell you this is a workhorse, she is definitely a workhorse, okay? You can put her on when you're running errands, when you're going to the gym, when you just want to look pretty but not look like you tried. If you don't want to put in that much effort but you want to look put together, this is definitely the unit for you. So I will have the specs down below along with the link. Again, this video is not sponsored, but Unice, if you want to sponsor your auntie, check out my information below, okay? So y'all, let's get into today's video. I am so excited to show you guys these items that I purchased. And this is actually going to be a real-time unboxing, okay? So you all will be getting my initial authentic reaction to these items. And today we are debuting, honey, some fall purses. Can't wait to see them. So let's get started. So these first 2 purses, guys, I am a QVCer. If you're new to this channel, yes, auntie is a QVCer, okay? I love QVC. I've been shopping from QVC, y'all. Matter of fact, QVC was my first job out of high school, believe it or not. Fun fact. So anyway, ladies, I fell in love with these purses when I saw them last week, and here we go. Here's the first one. Nice size, okay? And I was like, okay, I have, yes, y'all, been doing some much needed retail therapy, girl. Honey, auntie has been partaking in some much needed retail therapy, okay? So here is the first bag, and I like her. She is adorable. Here she is. Isn't she cute, guys? She is adorable. This is a nice, pretty suede bag, and I absolutely love her. I think she is very, very cute. When I saw this bag, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the real estate. Okay, let's take a gander. The real estate on this bag is insane, y'all. I'm looking to make sure my hands are not ashy, honey, because I just washed my hands before I started recording and I didn't put on any lotion. But anyway, ladies, look at this. Isn't she a beaut? Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to do my fashion haul with her. She is so, so cute. I absolutely love the suede material. I love the real estate. I think this is a perfect size, and this is definitely by, I think this is a perfect size for the fall. I'm not going to stand up because I'm going to actually do a fashion haul with her, with this purse. Guys, this is by the American Leather Company, and again, they are a staple on QVC. Look, y'all, look at the pockets in the back. Is it, oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. I didn't know that. And when you actually snap it, it's actually you get 2 sections. So I love that. This purse has a lot of real estate. Like, look at that, guys. A lot of real estate. So you can definitely get a lot of things in here. It does have an inside pocket. I'm not going to take the stuffing out because, again, as I stated, I'm going to do a fashion haul with her. But I love this inside pocket. It gives you more real estate. See? Lots and lots of room. The tan color is given, honey. Suede is nothing but fall. Suede screams fall and winter. I absolutely love it. So I am happy. Yes. So I love this purse so much that I actually got her in another color. So I got 2. And y'all, I can't wait to see this next color. And let me give you the specs. All right, ladies, so this purse, she debuts for $320. Again, this is by the American Leather Company. And this is the Arbor Leather Triple Entry Tote in the Latte Suede, okay? Alrighty. Okay, ladies, if this purse does not scream fall and winter, I don't know what does. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm totally in love. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Look at her. Oh my goodness. All of my favorite fall things. Not only is she suede, which I love suede in the fall. It just gives me cozy vibes, doesn't it? I love me a nice suede jacket, some suede boots, suede purse. Just suede me down in the fall, okay? But the green, let's just talk about it, okay? This is the Arbor Leather Triple Suede Tote by American Leather. They debuted on QVC. This goes for this is at a price point of $320. This is a price point of $320, and this is in the color kelp. Okay, y'all, isn't she gorgeous? She's just gorgeous. Isn't she gorgeous? I just love her. Look at that. Oh my goodness, she is so pretty. So pretty. I cannot wait to do a fashion haul of her. Again, it's the same compartments as the last one I showed you. Y'all, I absolutely love both of those bags. I cannot wait to style them and do a fashion haul on them. So, okay, ladies, let's do this next bag. Again, this is from QVC as well, and I cannot wait to show y'all this bag, okay? So guys, I am just in my mid-size bag, I guess, era for the fall this year. My thing this year, I think, is mid-size bags. I do love extra large bags and oversized bags, but for some reason this year, I'm really focusing on my mid-size bags. Y'all, I carry my crossbody every single day. My poor YSL camera bag is my workhorse, y'all. I'm so sick of looking at that bag. And it's just pitiful because I have so many bags and I just gravitate to that one because it's just easy and yeah. Okay, girl, this next purse is by American Leather Company as well. And this is the Autumn Triple Entry Leather Satchel in black, okay? And the price point for this particular bag is $128.28. So she's definitely more reasonable. And let's see how she looks, guys. When I saw her, I was like, okay, I gotta have her. You know, sometimes things look different on television than they do in real life. But I wanted to snatch her up. Oh, okay. She is cute. I like her. Okay, isn't this adorable? Isn't she cute? Y'all, I needed a black leather bag. And again, American Leather Company, all these bags are genuine, 100% genuine leather. And look at this, guys. Look at her. I just love the shape. She is the perfect size. I love a mid-size bag. I think that, and I love the fact that I have a double strap. I can have a top handle. I also have a strap, and I can also rock her crossbody. And you see the American Leather logo here. And as I stated, guys, I will definitely be doing a fashion haul with her and styling these purses, but I'm not going to take them all out of the wrapper tonight because I'm tired, number one, and number two, I just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. But I really like this bag. I love the fact that the leather on this bag is like, I'm going to say a skosh, not a lot, but a skosh distress. And I absolutely love that because, I mean, I just love the stressed leather. Like my Louis bags, I like when the leather, you know, turns. It just makes this gives it an added character. And so I absolutely love this. It has a lot of real estate. As you can see, she has the pockets in the back. Oh, okay, it can't open. And again, what I like about American Leather Company, guys, is the amount of real estate their bags have. This is definitely giving me vintage vibes. Look at that. I absolutely love that. I love the center compartment. You can just put so much in here, and it has a double zip action in the center. So you can unzip her using both sides. Isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And y'all, they have this in some beautiful colors. Yes, some beautiful colors, gorgeous colors. So yes, I absolutely love her. And again, that is the black satchel bag from American Leather Company, and she is retailing at $128.28. Okay, y'all, the last item. I saved her for last, and you're gonna know why when I show her to you. Let's get show her to y'all, and you all are going to understand why I saved her for last. Let's get ready. Here she is. 100% pure leather, ladies. Pure leather in the color red wine. This is $231.70, and she looks like another purse we know. And we didn't drop no 20 G's on her. We dropped 200. 100% pure leather. You tell me. I'm just gonna hold her up here for a second and let y'all just bask. Just bask. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this, ladies. Honey, look. Okay, so this is a tape. I love her locks. We have the lock. Y'all know. Y'all already know. I don't have to tell you. Look at the lock, ladies. Look at the lock. Look at the lock. I love her heart. It is so stinking cute. I just think it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Y'all, I'm getting her in black. I'm going to get her in black. Look at the real estate on her. Like, look at that. Look at the real estate. She comes with a nice, pretty pink dust bag. Isn't this cute? Y'all, when I tell you, when I say sophisticated, that's how I say sophisticated. Sophisticated. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at, oh my goodness. I just can't. I can't. I love the leather. This is 100% genuine leather. I love the feet on the bottom. The feet are extra raised, so it gives you that extra sense of security and protecting your leather. I love the real estate. The real estate, guys, is just bar none with this purse. The structure of the bag is insane. Y'all, look at the gold hardware. The gold hardware is true. It doesn't look gaudy. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look phony. It's just, y'all, and she is from Italy. So she is an Italian designer. And again, she debuted on QVC. I don't want to misquote, so I will probably put that information in the description box. But guys, her bags are just gorgeous. And I love her bags. So again, QVC, this video is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor Bossdom Chronicles, check out the information below. Guys, I am obsessed. Like, who is she? Who is she? Okay, I'm talking work bag. You could turn her from day to night. This is an after work bag. This is a brunch bag. This is a date night bag. Like, she is just so, oh my gosh, guys. Oh, look at that. When I say sophisticated, like the top handle, and again, it's a long strap, so you can definitely wear her crossbody. And the strap is on the inside. And I'm just obsessed, guys. I am truly obsessed with this purse. Like, what are we doing here? Here's the strap. And I cannot wait to style her. So I was trying to debate if I wanted to insert overlays in this video with me styling these bags. If that's what you guys would like to see, comment down below and let me know. But I think I'm just going to do a separate video of me styling these bags and basically give y'all a twofer, my fall outfit along with these bags, okay? But when I tell you guys, I absolutely love this. Like, and the color, we're not going to, y'all, I know oxblood was the color for last fall, but honey, oxblood caught up with me this year. When I tell you, I have gotten me some serious fall bags, and all of my bags have been oxblood. Yes, ma'am. So these are my finds. Y'all, I'm speechless. Like, I couldn't say something just now because y'all look at her. Oh my gosh, this bag is so gorgeous. She is just so pretty. So anyway, ladies, that is it for this video, part 1. And we're going to do part 2 because part 2 will be my Marshall's finds and its fashion and its bags. So check out part 2 and I will speak with you soon. Until then, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice in what? Be glad in it. Y'all don't sleep on the queue, honey. Don't sleep on the queue, baby. Bye-bye.
Christmas time is here. Families drawing near. Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the